baby! Oh my god, that was insane!
Jeez!
Yes, that was unreal.
Hello, and welcome to the channel! Today, we are pit biking.
That was insane.
Right.
Let's get it. Oh, baby! Oh.
Let's get as far away from the road as we physically can. Welcome to a brand new episode. Today, we have the STOMP EBOX Electric 1.6. Being serious, I'm so bad on motorcycles, innit?
That's so funny.
Well, then. So,
How does she feel?
some of yous who watch this channel will know we have had this in my garage for approximately 5 weeks. I broke my ribs on a BMX crash, which I'm not going to reinsert because you've watched it far too many times. However, that brings us to a fresh day today, where we are making a STOMP EBOX Electric pit bike test video. Well, ish. It's a bit wet, it's a bit windy, it's a bit rainy, but we're going to try and ride it in a couple of different locations.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
that was sick.
the floor.
I want to say quickly as well, thank you to all the comments on last week's video. We had good fun, but now Harry is back in the game, and Harry, he's gonna hurt himself today, I think, which we don't want. But I know it'll also be quite funny. So let's see where we get to with him. He's back in the game.
It's quite quick, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like I'd be a bit more confident on it if I turned the throttle response down.
Okay.
Because I feel like I'm going to loop out and I like my brakes on the right, but my brakes are the right way round. I think that's actually worse.
Go
Did you see that?
I saw it, the camera didn't.
Right, the response was down before.
Yes, that's up. Straight into wheelie mode. Oh. I want to see you hop up something.
Ready?
Sick, you know.
Alright, I'm going to suss it out by pushing up it first before I go up it. I want to know it wet.
Just gotta go for it, lad. There he is.
Whoa!
Yes, lad. Oh, baby! Oh my god, that was insane.
Jeez!
Yes, that was unreal. Let's get it. Oh, baby! Oh. I think you were made for this stuff.
Fucking stuck in this position, lad.
You just get a 360 of you in that
It was
position.
that sick, I'm stuck in it, lad. Recording. Here's where I'm at, Mr. Skeggs.
What do you want, lad?
We haven't seen you today.
No.
How are you, matey?
Sound, yeah, I'm good, thank you.
I've got a deal. If you put the pit bike in the back of the A7 alone, without my help, I'll buy you a cup of tea from Starbucks.
We're ignoring the fact that I've done it on my own
No,
already.
don't worry about that. I'll cut that out there.
Oh, nice.
Go on, lad, for a cup of tea from Starry Bees.
This is all I get. This is Harry using me.
You machine, aren't you, lad? Hey,
Using me for my car.
you're a machine, you Skeggsy. Mate, you're on it.
Ish.
Just needs to go in a bit now.
I know.
I'll sort that.
Well, yeah.
No, I'm only winding you up. Finish him. Look at the stomp machine.
Just make sure that doesn't do any damage.
The stomp machine is the one, man. Alright, you're in.
We're in.
I'm going to say that is going to close via Starry Bees.
Let's go to Starbucks then. What are you having?
Cup of tea, oat milk, 2 gingerbreads.
Treat yourself, I like it. I'm gonna have a large tea on you. Thanks, mate. Oh, no. You just done that?
Come on, mate. Just do it like you mean it.
We just done that?
Oh, Jesus. Right, we're on 51% battery. Skeggsy, really sorry, mate. Go on the skate park. I'm not going to wait for you either.
Yeah, I'll meet you there. Have fun, lad. See you in a bit.
slippy.
It's wet, mate. There's a lot of metal and a lot of wood going on here.
Yeah, it is wetter than we thought, than we anticipated.
Yeah, puddles and that.
So, the main question before we get into this on the skate park is, where do you want us to actually take this thing and ride it? Skate park or track? You guys let us know in the comments below, and we'll do either one of them for the next EBOX electric stomp pit bike video. But right now, we're going to make the most out of a wet skate park. I'm going to start with a quick driveway crawl.
Oh, baby.
Brings back
Behind the scenes, yeah.
brings back memories
Of what?
of the pit bike.
Oh, yeah.
Do you reckon I could jump that whole thing?
100%.
Sketchy though, innit?
Just stay straight.
Let's see how slippy it actually is.
It's the metal, I'd imagine. Oh, just stay straight. One more, give him one more.
You try it.
Give him one more.
You try it.
I tried it all last week, huh?
One more of these.
No, one more of the little slide. Yeah, there you go.
It's like,
It's like
watch.
ice.
Tell you what, I'll show you. I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh my god. You made that look so easy.
Did it clear
There's a
it?
slight hang up, but you made it look very easy.
It's chilled, that.
Yeah, right, I'll keep filming you.
The reel piece. I'm getting a little reel for the gram. For the grandma.
Nice, that.
Look like a proper moto rider, don't I? Come at me. Come at me.
Oh, baby. That was it. That was it. That was unreal.
I broke the lever.
Actually.
Look. That's the rear brake as well. Lesson. You need the levers looser. I forgot.
Oh, because then they bend. They move,
Every motocross rider would know. You need the levers loose.
Because then they move.
They move. Let's have a look at my clearance. That was sick.
Oh, baby.
Oh!
That was it. That was unreal.
Sick, that lad.
Sick.
Getting me from there. This is so slippy.
Just stay straight. My guy.
Beautiful.
You let gravity do the hard work then? I like it. You can fake, you know? It's like having a free coaster. See it, lad.
I'll come back round there.
Yeah. Oh,
It's not that I'm really shit on motorbikes. Steve!
That was unreal.
Unreal,
I want an action replay on that. That was insane. That's what your reel should be.
You're gonna have a little tickle in here, lad.
I'm good, man.
You won't.
I'm alright. That was unreal. I can guarantee your heart was in your mouth for that whole 3 seconds then.
I don't think I can do the fakie all the way to there, you know.
There was a smaller one.
No, I'll try it from here. I'm not doing that motocross thing again.
No.
That was dodgy, that.
That was steezy though. I'm into
Right.
it.
Right. On that note, we are going to be heading back to the garage to do some BMX mods. I'll see you over there.
You okay?
That was sketchy, that. Do you know why it was sketchy? Most people won't know this, but some people are like me, and when you freak out, you throttle harder. You just do. You go, oh my god, I'm going to die. That began to happen at the top of the spine, and I'm going to take the hint. I've got no pads, I've got no helmet, and it's not the right location, and it's wet. Hit us up in the comments below. Stomp EBOX 1.6 electric pit bike from pitbikedirect.com.
Babe, oh my god, that was insane. Yes, that was unreal.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are pit biking.
That was insane.
Right, right.
Let's get it. Oh, baby! Oh.